Getting the invalid YouTube URL error when trying to add YouTube to Roblox on your iPhone? No need to stress. This often happens because of incorrect links, app glitches, or Roblox restrictions. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to fix the invalid YouTube URL error on Roblox for iPhone. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check your YouTube URL. First, open up the YouTube app on your iPhone. After that, tap on your profile picture below. Then tap on View Channel under your channel name. Next, tap on the pencil icon. Now copy the channel URL. Then go to your Roblox app. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account Info. Scroll down again. Find the Social Network section. Under the Social Network section, you'll see the boxes of YouTube. Now paste the URL you copied. If you see m.youtube after the HTTPS, then it won't work. So make sure to remove m, then tap Save, and here it is saved successfully. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Clear Roblox cache. Open up the Settings app, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the Roblox app. Next, tap on Roblox, then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now try to add the YouTube URL again. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Can't Add YouTube error on Roblox for iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.